Hey, it's Clay Trader for BullWarriorStocks.com. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol MJNA. We will take a look at the 60-minute time frame. I want to do the 60-minute just because I think it does a much better job of showing what's going on with the chart for the shorter term time period. What I mean by 60-minute, if you're unfamiliar with charts, is instead of each one of these bars representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one just represents 60 minutes worth of trading action. So this may look like a long period of time, but really, when you look down here at the dates, it's just we're looking at basically a week worth of price action. And you can see right here on 12:30, that's when the price really started to come to life. And since then, you can see the volume over the past 3 days has been much bigger. But regardless, like I said, I just think this level or this perspective gives us a little bit better idea of what sorts of levels to keep an eye on. So the first thing to note is these lines you see here were from the last time I did the video. So if you want to go back through the video archives and look up that, you can. But that leads us to the first point, and that's just simply updates. So when a resistance is broken and closed above, it becomes a support. So one of the newest levels of support is right here at 0.134. Another area of support now, because it has converted this resistance into one, is up there at right around the 0.145, so 14.5 cents, another one of the newer levels of support. Now let's talk about some more levels of support. The other one that I see, and this is what I'm going to call the ideal level, meaning ideally if the chart's going to look as strong as possible, this level right here at 18, so 18 cents is going to be the ideal level of support. So the big thing here is, though, if it does fall, there's no need to panic or anything like that, because you still do have all these other supports below you. But again, if this level can maintain and the bulls can dig in and hold above it, that's going to make this chart look that much stronger. Next level of support after 18, if that can't hold, is going to be right here at 0.1625, so 16 cents is going to be another level of support to keep an eye on. And then you have these ones down here that we've already discussed. In terms of resistances, two are sticking out. For whatever reason, it seems like this area right down here has all of a sudden popped up as a level of resistance. So that's at 19 cents. And then after 19, you can see the next level act as resistance there and there. And that level is up there at 20 cents. So again, 19 and 20 cents are the current levels of resistance. And then after that, with any sort of closes up above there, I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart at that point in time. So now I'd like to direct your attention down here to my new trading group that I've just started not too long ago. We've been having some great success together. What it is, just a group of traders from beginners all the way up to battle-hardened veterans. I send out weekly trade ideas. It's a good environment to learn in. Or if you're just looking for some additional trade ideas every week, it's a good little group to be a part of. So hopefully you decide to check that out, and hopefully you decide to join us. It's just a one-time entry fee. There's no monthly fees or anything like that, just a lifetime membership. So if anything, read the testimonials up above. You'll see that we've been having some great success together. So again, this was MJNA. Thanks for listening, and have a good one.